Photos can get disconnected from the Lightroom catalog, mostly because they have been renamed or moved location outside of Lightroom. Reconnecting a missing folder will also reconnect any missing media within it. Therefore, you should reconnect folders first. This video will explain how to do that, if you wish. If a photo becomes disconnected from the Lightroom catalog, an exclamation mark will display in the upper right corner of the image thumbnail, and the thumbnail may be blank. Click on the exclamation mark. A dialog box will appear showing you the name and folder pathway that Lightroom is looking for. You could locate the image on the drive, rename, or move it back to where Lightroom is looking for it. This would reconnect the photo. When a photo gets disconnected, the history entries will be grayed out and unavailable to select. The editing tools will also be unavailable. To reconnect a missing photo with its new name or new location, click on the exclamation mark icon, or right-click on the photo and select Show in Finder on a Mac or Show in Explorer in Windows. Click on Locate. Navigate to the place the image is located in, and click on the image file name, then choose Select. Lightroom will notify you that the file name is different from the one referenced, and ask you if you are sure the file is correct. Warning: if you are not sure, click Cancel. If you connect to the wrong file, it will take on that file's characteristics and edits, and the right file will not be able to connect to it. When you are sure, click Confirm. The folder path and file name that Lightroom is referencing will update, and the photo will be reconnected. The history entries and edit options will be available once again. When you locate a photo on the drive in a new location, there is the option, Find Nearby Missing Photos. With this checked, Lightroom will reconnect all the other missing photos it can find in that folder location, where the name is still the same. You should only rename and move images within Lightroom. In the Library module, go up to Library and select Rename Photo, or press F2 on your keyboard. Choose a naming convention and enter text where appropriate. Click OK. The photo name will change in Lightroom and on the file in your drive. To move the file to a new location on the drive from within Lightroom, in the Folders tab, navigate to the location you wish to move your photo to. Drag the thumbnail of the photo to the new folder and release. The file will have moved to this new location on your hard drive, and Lightroom will recognize it as being in this location. To do a cleanup in Lightroom and search for missing photos, click Library and find All Missing Photos. A folder called Missing Photos will be created in the Catalog panel, containing all the photos Lightroom has lost connection with. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.